Hi, dear friends, welcome back in this YouTube channel, especially in this YouTube series. You know, this series is who we are. We are talking about special qualities about us. These qualities may be useful for understanding ourselves. So, guys, I started this YouTube series for understanding ourselves. What are things that we need to understand? So, guys, stay with me, keep watching this series regularly and try to understand yourself, your ability, your potentiality, especially about learning English speaking. So, guys, today we talk about once other special thing, other special topic. I think you want to know about this topic. So, guys, I will tell about this topic. I think you are very excited to know about this new topic in this series. You know, this series started for understanding our ability, our qualities, and especially ourselves, what we can do, how we can do. So, I started this series for understanding our qualities, our abilities. So, I named it Who We Are. So, guys, today's topic is confidence. I think it is a nice topic for this series. I think it may be useful for understanding our ability, our potentiality, especially about our humanity. So, guys, keep watching this video till the end and listen it carefully till the end. I made short videos in this series about on different topic about us. I hope it may be useful for understanding ourselves. So, guys, I think you want to listen about confidence. What is confidence? Where to come from the confidence? Guys, without confidence, we can't do a little thing. And with confidence, we can do huge things, big things, a lot of things. So, guys, confidence is very important thing for understanding ourselves, for doing new things. especially learning English speaking. Okay, I think this topic is very important for learning English speaking and for understanding ourselves. Confidence. I think confidence comes from inside. You know, when we start something new, this time, if we feel easy, it means we have a lot of confidence to do the things. When we feel hesitation, when we feel low energy, when we start new things, it means there is lack of confidence. This is condition of confidence. I think when we have a lot of confidence, we can do all things that we think. Without confidence, we can't do anything. So, guys, for understanding ourselves, this thing is very important. When you do new things, you feel more excited to do the new things. It means you have a lot of confidence. So, with your confidence, you can do the things properly and completely in the time. If you have not confidence, you can do the things completely in the time properly. So, guys, if you want to do new things, we need confidence. Confidence is a key to unlock our ability. We have lot of ability to do new things, but these abilities are locked. If we want unlock these abilities, we need confidence. You know, confidence is a key to unlock our potentiality, our ability, our that things those are closed in our mind. So, guys, be confident, get confident, especially when you want to do new things, especially if you want to learn English speaking. So, guys, you need confidence. Confidence means more excitement, more energy. If you are confident, you feel energetic, you feel more excited. So, when you have these things, you can do new things properly without any hesitation, without any barrier, without any problem. If you want to solve the problems, these comes in new things. You need to confidence. You know, I told earlier in this video, confidence is key of unlock our ability, our potentiality, our energy. So guys, I tell once again, be confident when you do new things, especially when you want to learn English speaking. So, guys, I believe you become confident all the time, and when we will interact with each other, you feel more confident with me. So, guys, I hope this content may be useful for you, especially for learning about yourself and about your English speaking. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end with your consistently and with your interest. So, guys, stay with me for understanding other more important things about understanding ourselves, about understanding learning English. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much.